Most people buy properties in Lagos only to discover lots of structural, plumbing, and electrical issues with the house. This often leaves the buyer disappointed, causing lots of trouble and conflict between them and the seller. However, conducting a thorough home inspection is a great way to avoid this kind of conflict. Hey guys, my name is John and I lead brand and marketing here at CWRE Lagos. And on today's episode of Tuesday Tip, I'm going to be talking about home inspection. A home inspection gives details about a property's structure, the architecture, plumbing, electrical, and so much more details to the buyer before they close that deal. What this does for the buyer is gives them all the necessary information and makes them make the right decision before closing the deal. Who does a home inspection? Ideally, a home inspection is often carried out by professionals who are experts in their fields. It may be electrical, plumbing, architecture, or even structural engineering. I would love to add that as a buyer, you should avoid conducting a home inspection by yourself, as you may miss out on details that the experts may find. So what are the benefits of conducting a thorough home inspection? Conducting a thorough home inspection gives you an idea of the property you want to buy. It gives you assurance that you're invested in the right property, and it also reveals all of the things that needs to be repaired and removes every kind of surprise that you face on the way. After a thorough home inspection has been done, you can then go on to negotiate with the seller on who covers what cost to fix the home. At CWRE Lagos, we understand that the process of finding your dream home or moving into that home can be really stressful and daunting. And this is why we've got specialists across the island to make this process hassle-free for you. Are you looking to buy or sell a home anytime soon? Call us on the number showing on your screen or follow us across our social media platforms at CWRE Lagos.